during this time, you have to make sure that you're on your best behavior. Hi guys, for those of you that don't know, my name's Adiola and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to get right into the video. These are the things that you need to do to secure a Valentine date. Now, everything I'm saying is a joke, so yeah, don't take me too seriously. So the first thing I suggest that you girls do is start your glow up. Start your glow up from now. So when I say start your glow up, I mean you have to make sure your hair is always done. Make sure your makeup is always done as well. No slip ups. Like even if you're going to Tesco, you have to make sure that your makeup is done like to a good standard, to a Valentine's Day standard. So make sure everything's done. Make sure your nails are done. If you're wearing flip flops or if you're wearing open toe shoe, make sure your feet are done as well. Yeah, just make sure. Oh, I'm gonna suggest something as well. Buy the Fenty lip gloss. We all know the lipstick that I'm talking about, the Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss. Make sure you buy this year. Make sure lips look mwah. Make sure you invest. It's £16 from Harvey Nichols. Next thing I'm gonna suggest is start doing sit-ups from now. Start doing your squats from now as well, and make sure you dust off your waist trainer. Yes, you need to be wearing that for at least 22 hours a day. Make sure you're hitting that gym every day. Okay, not every day, at least 5 times a day, to make sure your body's right and tight, you know. Like we don't have to wanna be sucking in your belly when you're taking them pictures, them Valentine's Day pictures. Like you wanna put a full length picture. You wanna make sure your body's looking, you know. So hit that gym. Make sure you're getting your skin right as well. Because if you book a hotel now, yeah, and then you stay around and you wake up in the morning, you wanna make sure your skin's looking fleeky. Do you get what I mean? You don't want the case of having to wake up 3 hours early just to put your face on and then pretending to going back to sleep. Like you're not fooling anyone. So make sure your skin's right. You get me? Like come with that flawless skin. Like your skin has to be glowing. You might want to spray something before he wakes up, and just to give you that fresh looking glow. Get that skincare routine in B, and renew your gym membership. Because I know some of you girls that you've cancelled it. Don't lie, you've cancelled it, man. Renew that thing, bro. Okay, so next thing I'm going to talk about is securing the bag. You need to start your hey big head and hey stranger text from now. You need to start them texts from now, because if you start them too late, it doesn't give you enough time to, you know, to secure the bag. But if you start now, you've got you know, an ample amount of time to make sure that you secure the bag on time for the 13th or the 14th of February. I'm not sure what date Valentine's Day is. That's bad, innit? But yeah, when you do them hey stranger and hey big head text messages, you have to subtly hint that you're good at massages. You know that? Yeah. You have to subtly mention that you're good at cooking and you're good at massages. See, when a boy hears that, yeah, he's going ding 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 ding. Okay, so basically I used to do physiotherapy in uni. I don't do it anymore, but every time I mentioned I was a physiotherapist and I did massages, ooh, boys would be like, ooh, so what, you give massages? Yeah, every time. But yeah, make sure you subtly hint that you give massages, because boys love massages for some reason. I don't know why. So girls, make sure you're inputting that bar. I give good massages. You can just slightly hint it, like when you're talking or something and he's like, oh, so what are you good at then? Just be like, oh, do you know what? A lot of people have said that I'm good at massages. See what I did there? Anyway, yeah, so moving on. Make sure you shoot your shot, ladies. Slide in that DM. Don't waste any time, because it's 2018. We're not getting any younger. We need to be getting married now. So the last thing I'm going to suggest as well is getting permission from your parents, especially if you're under the age of 28 and you're Nigerian, okay? Make sure you start telling your parents from now, so it gives you enough time to tell them that you're going to a party. Because you know, if you don't tell them in advance, they won't allow you to go. Do you get what I mean? So make sure you start telling them now. Oh mum, I'm going out to my friend's party on the 14th of February, yeah? I'm telling you now. So don't say I can't go. And even add in the fact that you're gonna sleep over at your friend's house in case you're going to a hotel. I've got to use lot, man, trust me. During this time, you have to make sure that you're on your best behavior. Yeah, I know for a fact that when I had to ask my mum for something and I wanted to go out, I had to make sure that I washed the plates, hung the clothes up, brushed the floor and all of that shit. So make sure you do everything that you're meant to do on time so that they don't say nothing on the day. Do you get it? Make sure you're a good child, make sure you're getting the grades as well, because if you don't get the good grades as well, you're not going to be able to go anywhere on the 14th of February, okay? You don't want that embarrassment, you know, when it comes to the 14th of February and you're saying, oh, I'm going out now, mum, dad. Remember I told you I'm going to that party, and they're saying, where are you going? You're not going anywhere until you brush the floor, and you're meant to be somewhere at a specific time, and you know brushing the floor is going to take you another half an hour. So what excuse are you going to say to the boy? Anyways, those are my quick top tips on how to secure a Valentine's date. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you found this useful, make sure you share it as well to your friends, because you never know who might need this help. Anyways guys, I love you lots. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.